This question, a point in quadrant 4 is on the unit circle. And if its x coordinate is 12 over 37, what is the exact value of its y coordinate? Okay, so first thing which we have to remember is that it is in quadrant 4, and in quadrant 4, the coordinate of x, the point xy has the x coordinate as positive and the y coordinate as negative. So whatever y coordinate we get, that should be negative. Another important thing is this is on a unit circle, and on a unit circle, we know that the sum of the square of the x and y coordinate is just 1, because that lies on a circle with radius of 1. So all we have to do is plug in. So y square from here is 1 minus x square, and now all we have to do is plug in x, which is 12 over 37. So it's 12 over 37 square. That's going to be y square will be equal to 1 minus 144 over 37 square. For that, I have to take the calculator. So 37 square is 1369. So y square is going to be 1369 minus 144, which is 1225 over 1369. And finally, if we take square root both sides, this is going to be the square root of 1225 is 35, and of 1369 is definitely 37, because 37 square is 1369. But remember, like we said, the y coordinate has to be negative, because if we take square root both sides, basically we end up with plus and minus, and we know that y is negative, so that's why we place a negative sign over here to give the exact value of its y coordinate. Thank you.